A Valley woman has been indicted by a grand jury for allegedly submitting fraudulent signatures on an abortion initiative last fall. That announcement coming from Maricopa County Attorney Rachel Mitchell.
12 News journalist Sean Rice live outside her office. Okay, what's going on here, Sean?
Hey there, Troy and Caribe. Good evening to you both. That ballot initiative collected over 800,000 signatures all throughout last year. And the ballot initiative passed with overwhelming support in the general election last November. But now the Maricopa County Attorney's Office says her office has found that at least some of those signatures were not legitimate, meaning people either denied signing the petition altogether, or if their name did appear on the petition, these people said they didn't recognize their signature as their own. Now, in a press conference this afternoon is when Maricopa County Attorney Rachel Mitchell said their investigation linked this conduct to 53-year-old Michelle Brimmer. She's the person who provided these alleged false signatures to the Secretary of State's office last fall. The 14-count indictment lists 7 names of Arizona voters who reported seeing their names on the petition but never actually signed their name. The number of signatures is, of course, a far cry from the total amount collected and turned in. Despite this concern over this happening, County Attorney Rachel Mitchell emphasized that this conduct would not have made any difference on whether or not the proposition qualified for the ballot. But nonetheless, she hopes this indictment does serve as a warning to others in the future.
Fraudulent petition signatures undermine the public's trust in our elections and will not be tolerated by this office. We're talking about a case that involved fraudulent signatures placed on an election petition. That is a crime, and those who engage in that conduct will be held accountable.
Now, Mitchell told us this afternoon that Brimmer was a petition gatherer all throughout last summer, but more details on how exactly this was done won't be released until she appears in court next month on a summons. Now, the 4 counts of forgery are all felonies, and the other 10 counts are all misdemeanors. Now, this afternoon, I tried to reach Michelle Brimmer by phone on multiple numbers that may have been connected to her to try to reach her for comment on these allegations, but so far, I have not been able to do so. We're live in Phoenix. Sean Rice, 12 News.
You know, when you get these petitions out there, Sean, obviously a lot of, money needs to be raised to get these people. And a lot of times they're hired. They're professional people who are doing this. Yeah. Do we know if she was being paid to gather these petitions, or if she was just an activist or anything like that?
Yeah, Troy, there was not a lot of information on exactly her connection to this petition or this petition process released today. The reason for that is there is no what's called probable cause statement available. There is no document. She was served a summons and an indictment, which these indictments do not give us a lot of detail yet on exactly how she's connected to this alleged scheme, but it's something we will follow and expect to be released in court next month.
All right, Sean, we'll follow up with you. Thank you.